Well, Facebook CEO Mark Zuckerberg faces tough questions on the Hill Tuesday following revelations that the Trump-affiliated political firm Cambridge Analytica accessed the data of as many as 87 million users of the social media site during the 2016 election. VOA's congressional correspondent Katherine Gibson looks at the questions lawmakers are expected to ask Zuckerberg and the next steps they may take.
Congress will be looking for answers, not just apologies.
And that was a huge mistake. It was my mistake.
Facebook executives faced tough questions last fall about the role ads played in the 2016 election. But the scale of the Cambridge Analytica scandal will bring Zuckerberg face-to-face with lawmakers for the first time. At issue, access to a user's personal information and the accounts of their Facebook friends by third-party apps. The data trove gave Cambridge Analytica information about political and religious beliefs, events attended, and posts liked by millions of Facebook users. Facebook called claims this was a data breach completely false. Current and former commissioners at the Federal Trade Commission, a consumer protection agency, see it differently.
If you're trying to keep something private and you think you've set it to private, but then you have to do 3 more steps, well, that's going to be problematic.
Lawmakers will want to know if Facebook violated a 2011 agreement with the Federal Trade Commission, promising users that third-party apps could only access information needed to function.
They obviously did no due diligence on any of the third-party app developers.
While Facebook could face substantial fines if it was in violation, Congress will also be looking at how Facebook plans to protect users' privacy in the future.
The way that we interact with these platforms is obscured. So in other words, you really can't make consent for the most part, and everybody knows this. You don't see the hundreds of eyes that are looking at you as you post something on Facebook. Some of those changes have to come from the design side.
Mark Rotenberg, who helped put the consent decree together, is optimistic the revelations will spur Congress to action on a privacy law for information on the internet.
Facebook would have to give users legal rights about the collection use of their data.
A proposal Zuckerberg is likely to face again during a second round of questions before a House panel Wednesday. Katherine Gibson, VOA News, Capitol Hill.